Hello guys, welcome to shawnkoon's another calculator tutorial here today. And today I think I want to go over how to type a negative number. So when you solve math problems with your calculator, you will encounter a lot of problems with negative numbers in it, right? And this calculator has two subtraction buttons that you can use uh, on the calculator here. So I want to go over how to use them and then distinct the difference between those two. Okay, so first let's start up your calculator. So what I would recommend you guys to do right now is that you guys should bring out your calculator and just kind of like follow what I'm about to do. Okay, so here let's open up my software, but you guys should have your calculator out. So let's first turn on your calculator. I hope you guys know how to turn on your calculators by now, but yes, it's on the left on the bottom, right? So let's hit that and then turn it on. So now it's on. So those of you who have a lot of stuff on your calculator, please hit clear to clear your screen, and let's work on this blank page. So let me show you where the minus sign is. So minus sign is located on the right side where normal math operations are. So there's a division sign on the right, there's a multiplication sign, minus sign, and plus sign, right? Like we went over in the previous videos. So on top of the plus, you will see this bar here. That indicates minus sign, or we usually call it a subtraction sign, right? We don't say it's a negative sign, I'm pretty sure. Okay, but this here is not a negative sign, like I said. So you cannot type -2 by using this minus sign. So let's say I were to do that, okay? So I type -2. Notice there's an answer pop up in the front, right? It's because the calculator thinks that you are pressing subtraction sign. And this ANS right there it means the calculator is grabbing your previous answer. So answer to whatever you typed before. So it's taking that and then trying to subtract 2 off of it. But I wanted to type -2. So what can we do is we can go back by using arrow key and then delete that answer. Okay, so let's try to delete it. So now what do I have left? I only have bar and 2, and that looks like -2 to me. So how about we add 1 to it and then hit enter. Oh, guess what? Error, right? The reason is because that was not a negative sign. That was a subtraction sign. You're using subtraction sign to subtract something from something, but it didn't have anything in front of that subtraction sign. So that's why it showed us an error. Okay, so let's go to quit. You can just quit by hit enter or press 1. So once you get out to the screen here, now let's look at what the negative sign really is then. Okay, so if you look under your number 3 keypad, you will see this button with the parentheses and bar inside of it, right? And that right there is used for a negative sign. So let's do same exact thing, but instead of using subtraction sign, and use that a new negative sign that we learned. Okay, so let's click that and then hit 2 plus 1, and of course notice this negative sign is actually a little bit shorter than the subtraction sign, so you can distinct the difference between those two. So now -2 plus 1, it should give us -1 without an error, because that is a negative sign. In the previous, it was a subtraction sign. So that's how you use the negative sign in the calculator. So you can also do negative sign right after the operations. For example, like 3 plus -5. And I can do that and hit enter. I get -2. And the answer also comes out to negative also. So yes, so the idea of this tutorial was that subtraction sign is located on your right side, right above your plus sign, and negative sign is located right under your number 3 keypad. So whenever you guys get error that's saying something about syntax error, or when you type simple operations and get some kind of error, just recheck your signs. I'm pretty sure you guys would make some kind of mistake with the signs here, because I made a lot of mistakes too. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you have any other questions, please leave questions on the comment below, and make sure you guys subscribe for more calculator tutorials. Thanks.